you? Hope y'all are doing great. I am Burke, and you're watching either Road Odyssey or Angry Buzzard Autos. Hey, how are y'all doing? Hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. And yes, this video is about the kid at heart or several yellow cars. You got the yellow Bumble Bee, Panteras, and a really neat hot rod, and a couple of other cars thrown in here. But this is just kind of neat stuff. And to me, it was more relative to the kid at heart, kind of just fun things. So that's what I cherry picked out of this car show, which was at Grant, Oklahoma. It's close to the border of Texas. Grant, Oklahoma, just between the Red River and Hugo off 271. So not too far from me. And it was just kind of a neat show and a neat place to go and hang out for a little while. So anyway, a lot of yellow cars in this thing. So the Bumble Bee, Panteras, and a hot rod. That's what we got. So hope you enjoy it. Here we go. The Transformer car, Bumble Bee, was really for the kids, but it was still intriguing enough to kind of watch and see what they did. This was a neat, like about 1906 Oldsmobile replica, motorcycle wheels, plywood, lawnmower engine, The guy had sold it to somebody else, and eventually it got back to him, and he rebuilt it and painted it and fixed it back up, got it to the show.
So we've got lots of fun things going on today as well. We've got the Transformers. The Transformers are here to be with the Transformers. We're the east side.
That'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. And comment below. Let me know if you like it. For me, going to these car shows and kind of cherry picking some of the neater, more interesting cars or things that I think that you may not see quite so often. And with that, I would really appreciate that feedback. And y'all just relax, take it easy, have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.